everyone, welcome back to Snap. medyo trentahin fingers eh. Tumata na may arthritis.
Tunog na arthritis.
Welcome back to Snap, the show where your stories are our stories and sometimes your mild inconvenience turns into a full-blown teleserye. It is our year-end special. Wow,
Yay!
year-end special. And to let our people know, it's actually episode 50. Imagine, 50 episodes na kami dito, di ba? And before we say goodbye to 2025, so 50 tas 2025, 5, very good number. I feel very good for 2026. Wow. And before we say goodbye to 2025, we're looking back at the stories that reminded us that Filipinos don't do chill. Hindi tayo nonchalant na tao.
Yeah.
We do drama with stories that are next level.
Siyempre, bago tayo magpatuloy, gusto namin bumati ng Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hindi pa pala yung hapay. So, mag-hapay rin naman kayo sa New Year. Puro ganun.
Oo, sabi nga ni Manny Pacquiao, Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Sumisirit yung mga kwitis sa likod niya. Ay, nako. Exactly why this episode is all about moments that started simple, then suddenly became, wait, what just happened? Oh? Kasi if there's one thing consistent this year, it's that the things that happened to you this year just escalated quickly. From minor mishaps to major meltdowns, we're closing 2025 with your funniest, most chaotic, most unforgettable, most nakakainis, most mabaho, most ay, naku, lahat na ng most nyo. Pati yung mga real-life plot twist nyo na parang ano ba to? Bakit nangyayari to?
Okay, parang walang good plot twist this year. Puro na lang,
diba? Tapos may mga humabol pa ngayong December.
Okay. Anyway, so sit back, relax, breathe in that Christmas hangover, and let's end this wild year the way it began. With drama, laughter, and oversharing in a snap.
Yeah!
Yes, hindi na ako trentahin! Yeah! Di ba?
Yeah.
Papasok
Tumunog
tayo
na naman.
2026. Papasok tayo 2026 na walang arthritis. So, we're again, like we said in this episode, we will be looking back on all the things that made 2025. Alam kong halos lahat tayo nag-experience ng napakaraming crazy moments this year. Either masaya, malungkot, or just, yun nga parang wait.
Sabi nga ni Karen Davila sa TV Patrol isang araw, ang 2025 ay marumi, magulo. At nakakainis.
That is very true. Yes.
So, yeah. Kahit hindi sa Pilipinas,
Yes, exactly. From floodwaters, crazy politicians, to relationships and getting ghosted, to losing friends. To losing friends. Ganun talaga eh. But that, for me, that is what makes 2025 a memorable year. Definitely hindi natin makakalimutan lahat ng nangyari ngayong 2025.
Ow!
Okay, so our first story comes from our friend Ira, who's 24. Okay, ito na yung story niya. So, sabi niya, kailangan ko ayusin yung glasses. 30 na ako this year. Oh my gosh. Hi, Crump. Early this year, I agreed to cat sit for my cousin for one night. Simple lang. Feed the cat, clean the litter, sleep. At 2 a.m., the cat somehow locked me out of the condo unit while I was throwing out the trash. Ang malas mo naman. I knocked. No response. The guard thought I was breaking in. Oh my gosh. Admins got called. My cousin woke up to 15 missed calls and CCTV footage of me crying in pajamas. By morning, the condo group chat was calling me cat burglar of 2025. Di ba? Parang yung story niya basically is the culmination of everybody's 2025. Yung simple lang naman sana yung taon na to. You know? Simple lang. Kailangan mo lang imairaos, magtrabaho, maging masaya kasama pamilya or whatever. However, ang daming tao na, you know, na I don't know, I forgot the Tagalog word for it. Pero yung mga, the people who take advantage of you, wow, English na.
Pagsamantala.
Yung mga tao mapagsamantala, there you go. Napakarami this year, honestly. Like we said kanina, yung mga floodwater projects, yung mga ghost projects, di ba? Yun yung pusa eh.
Dito makikita na mas matalino yung pusa kaysa sa'yo.
That's true. Unfortunately.
Kasi nalock niya. At hindi mo naisip na ilalak niya. O di, sana diba naisahan mo siya. Pero grabe. Doon may mga videos ako nakikita online na kayang ganunin nung pause ng pusa, yung lock. May mga nahuli ka pa sa CCTV. Buti hindi ka pa na 24 oras.
Oo nga eh.
Nahuli cam ka. Ako wala maisipin sa'yo.
Yung mga moments na hindi mo aakalahin na nangyari. So mga taong may mga nangyari, hopefully okay kayo. Hopefully 2026 will be better.
Sabi niya, pag masyado ka daw nag-iingat, lalong nadedelikado.
Exactly.
Kaya ano lang kayo, tread lightly, enjoy lang. Huwag masyadong nag-iingat. Ayan tuloy.
Verdict on why it escalated to Hulicam cat burglar of 2025. One favor equals security incident equals permanent condo nickname. Ayan. O, diba? At least ngayon masasabi mo ng meron kang cool nickname for 2025. Kaso yung cool na yun might be a little bit different in terms of your interpretation.
Wait, may nahuli ako dito sa tanong na to. Nilagay niya, sabi niya, I knocked, but there was no response. I mean, if you know na mag-isa ka na sa condo, tapos na-lock out ka, at alam mo yung pusa lang yung nasa loob, bakit mo kailangan kumatok?
That's true.
What's the logic ng pagkatok mo? Umubuksan ba nun yung lock pag ginanon mo yung screen mo? Here's the second viewer story, which comes from Gino, which is 31 from Rizal. Ayan, sabi niya, hello, Snap. Last April, I posted a harmless rant on my private Twitter about how jeepneys suddenly disappear when it rains, which is totoo naman. Or so I thought it was harmless. I didn't name anyone. Somehow, it got screenshotted, reposted on a group page, and people thought I was attacking a specific jeepney route. Within hours, strangers traced my original post and were arguing in my replies. A transport page made a meme out of my tweet, and my aunt messaged me asking why I was, quote-unquote, starting a movement. As for me, gusto ko lang naman umuwi nang hindi ako nababasa.
That's very fair.
Yeah. By starting a movement, parang pagiging aktivista na yan.
Oo nga, aktivista nga eh. Nagreklamo lang isang beses eh. Meron ng ano.
Pero kasi naman, ganyan naman talaga yung mga jeep dito. I mean, kahit naman feeling ko, kahit nung nandito pa si Mix, pag nagje-jeep kami, usually, ganyan yan nangyayari. Kapag konting ulan, magka-cut trip yung jeep. Hindi na siya tutuloy doon sa original na route niya. Matapos ngayon, ang dami mas stranded. Pero kasi naman, gets rin naman natin kung bakit. Kasi nga, may baha, may ganyan. Yeah. Which will lead us again back to the main topic of 2025, which is flood control.
Ay, nako.
Related lahat talaga dito eh.
Yes, doon naman balik lahat eh. Pero totoo nga naman kasi na parang nagreklamo ka lang ng isang beses. Kaya minsan kailangan mo pa rin mag-ingat sa mga pinopost mo kahit private. Kasi hindi mo alam yung mga taong nagpa-follow sa'yo. Baka mamaya sa kanila masama pala yung sinabi mo. So, kung meron kang sariling comment or sariling opinion na gusto mong i-post online, minsan pag-isipan natin ng mabuti bago natin i-post. Kasi kahit private yan, social media pa rin yan. Mabilis yan kumalat sa social media.
Here's our verdict for this. One tweet which leads to public discourse, which leads to accidental activism.
Maki! Baka!
Wag, ano yung sinisigaw ng mga driver? Wag ituloy ang modernisasyon. No to PUB modernization. Yan, sabihin nila. Ay, pero doon naman para doon sa tita ni Jean, nagsishare lang naman po siya. Huwag yun naman pagalitan yung mamangkin niya.
Oo nga. Hindi naman siya nagsistart ng movement. Ano lang siya. Lalabas lang ng sama ng loob.
Oo, hindi naman po siya akit ng bundok at magtatago doon. Hindi yun gano'n. Alam niyo na kung ano yung sinasabi ko.
Ito nakakatotoy kasi nangyari to sa akin eh. Nangyari to sa akin sa gym. Anyway, this story comes from Mika, who's 29, from Rockwell.
Wow!
Rockwell, wow.
Social.
Oo nga. Sabay pa tayo, social eh. Anyway.
Wag rin na.
Make your judgments after the story. Anyway, okay. So, sabi ni Mika, "Hi, Stephen and Migs." Wow, nabanggit na yung pangalan natin. Hindi na lang snap, di ba? Okay, sabi niya, "My friends convinced me to try a low-key Pilates class this year." Wow, Pilates. Pero honestly, mahirap mag-Pilates. Admitted.
Yung ba yung
I've tried.
tinataas-taas yung paa na ganun?
Oo, mahirap siya eh. Admitted. I've tried, mahirap. Okay. I arrived late dahil sa traffic sa EDSA fair. Panicked and followed who I thought was the instructor. Turns out, it was another beginner who was also confused. For 40 minutes, we confidently did everything wrong together. Someone filmed the class for Instagram stories. The studio reposted it with the caption, "When vibes are greater than form." My coworkers recognized me before I did. Like I said, this has happened to me before. This has happened to me on a spin class naman. Parang nakita ko kasi yung tao yung sa mga spin class, yung parang gumaganon. Ganon. So parang ako, ata sila, dalawa ata silang magkaibigan. Akala ko one-on-one session. So ako, nandun ako sa pinakalikod, parang sinusundan-sundan ko lang din silang ganon. Tapos, nung natapos sila, hindi ako parang pasimple ako, diretso pa, tuloy pa konti para hindi obvious na ginagaya ko sila. Tapos sorry, natatanda ako kasi tatawa na ako eh. So, bumaba na sila. Tapos sabi nung isa doon sa kaibigan niya, "Nakita mo ba yung lalaki doon sa likod?" Pertaining me. Sabi niya, anong ginagawa niya? Sabi, hindi ko alam, pero parang kinakopy niya tayo. Hindi niya ata alam na hindi natin alam yung ginagawa natin. So natawa rin ako, sabi ko, okay. So Mika, I know how you feel. Ang ano lang natin is ikaw napunta ka sa social media, ako hindi.
Kasi hindi kayo nagtatanong. Magtanong
kasi malay ko pa, ano lang naman kasi mahihain ako Bakit kaya nga doon ako sa dulo
So, I am also guilty of this. Pero hindi naman siya klase. Hila siya ng FX sa Mega Mall. Ayun kasi that time, yung Mega Mall, nire-rebuild, nire-renovate. So, nililipat lagi yung terminal.
Oo.
Siyempre, hindi mo kabisado kung ano yung linya ng papuntang ganitong lugar, papuntang
right.
Ako, parang, that day, bumaba na yung social battery ko. Ayoko na magtanong.
Yes.
Turns out, switch pala yung pila ng papunta Antipolo. Tsaka papunta dito sa bahay namin.
Okay.
So, pumila ako sa Antipolo without even ask. Kasi usually, yun ang practice Kung sino yung nasa huli ng line na maaabutan mo, tatanungin mo. Papunta po bang ano to? Dahil nga mababa na yung social battery ko, hindi na ako nagtanong. Pumila ako, papunta Antipolo. Nakatulog ako ganyan. pagdilat kong ganun. Nasaan ako? Bakit
Na Dora the
dito
Explorer ka bigla.
Oo. Kaya, kids, always ask people. Okay?
Yes. Wag mahiyang magtanong. Sabi
Sabi
nga
nga ni
ng
Susan
ano,
Roses. Tsaka ng right mid. Tama.
Exactly. Mika, we understand how you feel. And I guess that's a lesson that we should all learn coming into 2026. Sabi nga ni Susan Roses, wag mahiyang magtanong.
Sumalangit nga nawa. Wait lang. Anong na-feel mo nung
Yung nangyari nung sa akin?
After
Siyempre ako, nahiya ako, di ba?
Uh-uh.
Nung sa akin, nung nabanggit nila yun, kasi wala akong headphones eh. So, hindi ko naririnig yung kung ano yung apparently pala, may pinapakinggan silang guide. Sa kasi nakaano sila. Tapos parang nakasync silang ganun sa, I don't know, parang sa isang phone ata nung isang friend, tapos sinusundan lang nila. Ako naman, parang, nung narinig ko yung binanggit yun, sabi ko, dahan-dahan na akong bumagal. Tapos, pasimpleng, okay.
Wala lang na nangyari. No?
So, syempre, hiyang-hiya din ako. So, naiintindihan ko yung nararamdaman ni Mika. Yun nga lang, yung difference natin sa kanya, is siya, na-post siya sa social media. Which is, mas malala. At saka yung mga taong nakakita ng video mo, yun na lang yung isipin mo at nagbigay ka ng liwanag.
Wow.
Nagbigay ka ng liwanag sa mga buhay nilang madidilim.
Habang yung mundo niya nagdilim sa katangahan.
Yes. Moving on to our verdict for Mika. One late entrance leads to a wrong leader and leads to a viral incorrect workout. Palakpakan natin si Mika.
Buti na lang.
We are now getting into our Hall of Fame story for 2025.
Mr. President, can I move for a change of vote? Dahil kanina, bumoto na po kami kung sino yung Hall of Fame.
Okay. Yes.
Parang gusto ko pong palitan Mr. President.
Oh, sige.
Kung sino
Sige,
ang,
sige.
Hall of Fame. Parang type ko yung panghuli.
Okay.
Kasi
Sige.
nakarelate kami pareho eh.
Okay. Okay. So, for
Okay.
our Hall of Fame story of 2025.
2025 hindi lang of the week.
Oo. 2025.
Okay.
Drum roll, please. Is from Mika from Rockwell. Palakpakan natin si Mika.
O diba, kahit mayaman ka, taga-Rockwell ka, pag talagang hindi mo ginagamit
Pagtatawanan ka namin. Hindi kami nag-discriminate.
Oo. O diba? Mayaman
Joke
ka,
lang,
mahirap
joke
ka, pag di mo ginagamit tong ano mo. Wala talaga. Wala
Yes.
talaga mangyayari.
Mahirap ka man or mayaman, basta hindi mo ginagamit yung utak mo, pagtatawanan ka namin.
Sabi nga nung tsahin nung kaklase ko dati, nung bumisita kami sa bahay nila, sinabihan yung kaklase ko, "Hay, gamitin mo yung utak mo, hindi lang yan pinapalutang sa tubig, sa bungo." Ang lalim.
Oh my gosh. But obviously, we're just joking. We don't really condemn any of the people who sent their stories today. We don't really condemn you. We're just making fun. So, wag niyo pong seryosohin. Just disclaimer, it's all just for fun. Kay Stephen hindi, sa akin oo. If 2025 taught us anything, it's that even the smallest of moments can spiral into full-on stories. And that's what makes life so entertaining. Pero minsan, aminin na natin, pinapahiya din tayo ni life. That is very true. Pinapahiya talaga tayo. Just looking back at all the stuff that happened to me this year, yes.
Daming moments na ganyan. Ay, nako. Whether nanisi ka ng pusa dahil nilock out ka niya sa condo mo, o kaya naman, aanga-anga ka pagdating sa fitness class mo, every twist gave us something to laugh about and something to learn from this year. Parang pagod na pagod eh.
Here's to 2025. Oh, cheers.
Happy
Cheers.
New Year.
Kampai. Here's to 2025. Cheers. 2025 is definitely messy, memorable, and full of stories we'll keep telling for the rest of our lives.
Hopefully not. Thank you for staying with us this one whole year again. And we also want to thank Migs for joining us and serving as our guest co-host here on Crop Society for the last 4 episodes of 2025. And you'll get to see him more this 2026.
Yes, I'm here to stay. Wow. Buti pa ako nagsistay. Lahat ng gusto kong magstay, hindi nagstay.
Yan na. Ako, yan yung mga bato. Bilag kayo. Matamaan kayo. Mga bato.
We hope that in our own little way, we were able to give you, our audience, some fun and value this 2025 as Space Fellow Studios and eventually as Crump Entertainment this year.
Fun and value. Sana hindi puro kagaguhan lang na to.
Hindi puro kalokohan. May value naman po sana. Pero nag-insightful po kami sa inyo kahit pa paano.
But a happy new year. And we hope to see you guys again on 2026. Thank you so much. I'm Stephen.
And I'm Miguel, and we'll see you again in January 2026. Bye-bye! Wow, 2026 na! Tanda ko na, 30 na ako!